Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler reveal for the Yes August box. So first I'm going to show you what we already have, and then I'll show you the new one. So first, there are going to be two different palettes. You will get one of these palettes. Now these are part of the Mavi Cosmetics Around the World collection palettes. The first one is Stockholm, or actually Take Me to Stockholm is this first palette. You will either get this or the Take Me to Los Angeles palette. Next we have the Zatik Relief Eye Serum, and then next we have the Mirabella Beauty Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. And then the newest spoiler that they revealed, you will get one out of these two brushes. Now these are the Aesthetica Beauty brushes, and this one, I believe it says E14. Now it looks like a liner brush. You will either get this brush or this one, and I can't really see the numbers. It's either C18 or C19 brush, and it's got this weird diamond shaped tip, so I'm not sure. I'm thinking it's a crease brush, but you will get one out of those two brushes. And also, I do have a code for you if you do want to check out Yes Yes. They are linked below. The code is SelfTaught That's in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box. And as always, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will update you guys. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.